Okay, just doing a quick video on these carrots. So we harvested the carrots. They were at about 83 days. And they said somewhere around 75 days to harvest. And these are the short carrots. These are 3 to 6 inches. But we harvested them. We have, I'd say, well over 100 carrots. I'm halfway through processing them. And here you can see focus. Anyways, so here you can see, got this bucket full of them, and all these guys here, and we're just going through and processing them. I think it's a pretty good crop. Some of them are kind of small. Those are the ones that were under the beans. We planted them next to the beans, so I think they weren't getting enough sun. So we're actually going to replant for our fall crop, and we're going to go ahead and plant on the other side of the garden, which will be back over here. And this is actually the area where we had the onions, right down through here. So we're going to go ahead and plant. This is all going to be carrots. We'll do probably 3 rows of carrots. Yeah, so we went ahead and replanted some more onion that we had. We started these. All of these were started from seed, and then we have some squash that we planted for the fall. Fall squash there, and then over here we got more of the onions in these areas here, and some green onions at the very end, right down over there. But and then some bell peppers. But we've got the tomatoes are doing good, and the peppers. But anyways, so we harvested the onions. As I kind of made a mistake with the onions, and I've done it for 2 years, and I just realized what the mistake was and why they fall over so early. So we went ahead and let them get this far, and then we harvested them. But I'll explain in another video what it was that I did wrong. But they did get this big, and so we harvested them, and now we have them hanging on the fence so they can kind of develop their little skin, so we can store them properly. But yeah, so it's an update. Harvested the carrots. We're going to plant more, and we'll be back.